Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to show the battery percentage on any Oppo phone. Now, if you want to show the battery percentage in the status bar of your Oppo phone, first of all, just open settings, then tap on notifications and quick settings. From here, tap on status bar, then tap on battery percentage. And from here, just select the battery percentage style which you like. You have the option of inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. Just like that. Now, if you cannot find the battery percentage option over here, then go back to the main settings page and in the search bar, just search this. And you will find the battery percentage option in your Oppo phone. And this is how you can show the battery percentage on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.